Hello everybody, and today I will be showing you the 2015 and 2016 winter outlook for the lower 48 United States. So let's get right into things. This is the temperature outlook for the lower 48 United States. The yellows through the reds will be the above average temperatures, and the blues will be your below average temperatures. As you can see, from Virginia down to South Carolina, it goes through the lower Ozarks of Missouri and Arkansas, and then through southwest Kansas and dips down into Arizona. That will be the normal temperatures because the jet stream will probably dip down there a lot. So that will be your normal temperatures for winter. Where you see these blues, that is where the lighter blue will mean a less likely and the darker blue would be a more likely chance of seeing below average temperatures. Where you see the yellow, that would be a small percent incline from your normal temperatures for the winter. And then the orange and the reds will be a higher incline of, so hotter temperatures than you would normally see. And the dark reds are way above average for this time of year. So that's not good for the drought situation in the Oregon and Washington area with all the wildfires and stuff. So let's see how this plays out. So next I will be going to the precipitation outlook. So in the precipitation outlook, the greens would be above average precipitation for this time of year, and the browns would be a below average precipitation for this time of year. Now, in the Ohio, West Virginia, Kentucky area, those should not be touching. The 3D effect just made it extend, so sorry about that, but let's get into the greens first. So you can see the Northeast is going to have above average temperatures for this time of year, but just barely. That's just the smallest increase. And then the brighter green and then the darker greens, especially in Florida, will be increased moisture. So we could have a really stormy winter in Florida and Louisiana and over to Texas possibly. So I'll have to keep an eye on that. But as you can see across much of the north, from Ohio up through North Dakota and Minnesota, and then dipping down into northern Utah and back up to Washington, that is a small percent decrease in precipitation from the winters you normally would see. And then the darker brown would be an even more so decrease in the Great Lakes region and parts of Idaho, Montana, Oregon, and Washington. And then that darkest brown there in the northwest is way below average precipitation for the winter. So that is not a good thing considering there's going to be above average heat up there, so we'll have to see if things get really bad up there or not. So now on to the synopsis of everything. Now, as you can see, right in here, we have 8 main sectors. We have the Northwest, which will be warm and dry. We have the North, the Great Plains, which will have little snowfall and it will be warmer than average. Now here in the Great Lakes region in the Ohio Valley, the temps and precipitation amounts will vary. So it's going to be kind of normal but dry, so it'll be interesting to see what happens there. As well as this battle zone. That's the normal temperatures where the jet stream goes across. So we don't really know what's going to happen in this battle zone, but we'll probably see some ice storms, some snowstorms, some rainstorms. Yes, rainstorms. That's okay. Anywho, moving on. Up in the northeast sector up here, and Maine down to Pennsylvania, we have above average snowfall and possibly a few bigger events like blizzards coming up through as northeasters. So we'll have to watch that. And then across the southeast through Texas and New Mexico, it'll be cool and wet. So it'll be a very wet winter across that area. So guess that could be good for Texas, but they're about to get a bunch of rain anyways. This is October 21st right now, so they're about to get a bunch of rain from a tropical disturbance. But yeah, the Rocky Mountains southern area from Colorado back through Nevada down to Arizona, they will see some cool and normal mountain snowfall. So cool temperatures, cooler than normal at least, and mountain snowfall. And then California will see wet temperatures. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you liked this, please leave a like, comment, and if you even want to see more content like this, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks, and bye.